A few weeks ago, Kurt was invited by his friend to get his hair done at mens.bash in Causeway Bay, so I took my camera along to film his makeover hairdo. In the end, I got my hair done too.
So I'm waiting for Kurt to do hair treatment. He always comes to this salon, so yeah, and his friend is like the hairdresser here. So I came here before as well, and they're really good. They cut my hair short. Oh, he's coming.
So, hello.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah. Hello.
This is Don.
You want to play something? Oh, okay. I know you don't play football games.
No.
So, maybe we can have some treatment. I think you need to wait him, so we will spend much time. So.
Oh, you're gonna do a treatment for me?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, I'll bring you upstairs first.
Okay, sure. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
I got a Japanese treatment which smoothed out my hair and made it more shiny. They washed my hair 3 times in the process.
This one. Take a look.
Okay. This is the one I'm getting.
Oh. Smell good.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll do mine.
I think the treatment is for dyed hair, but it still worked for me, and there was a huge difference when I brushed my hair, as my hair usually gets tangled, and after this I didn't have that problem.
Hello. My hair is more smooth, I guess.
嗱，今次就自然啲咯，今次就聽翻你講啦，啱啱好。係咪今晚都唔好洗？今晚唔好啦，最好就聽日晚咯。咁就你都係記得收收你落翻去咯，然之後揸落去咯，勻循啲 OK。咁咧個做法都係有2、3種嘅。第一個咧就係你可以落完之後咧，等佢散。係啦，擺翻靚佢，等佢自己乾。或者咧就係落翻靚佢，再吹頭咁樣啦。咁我今日就會幫佢吹翻乾少少。但係如果你趕時間，其實你可以咁樣，然之後咧就 natural dry 咯。咁佢其實都係已經係咁樣嘅。OK。